Hari Om and welcome to day 6 of our 30-day yoga journey with Yogananda Krishna. Today we open the heart and shoulders, inviting freedom in the upper body and lightness in the breath. Begin in a comfortable seated pose. Rest your palms on the knees, inhale deeply and feel the chest expand like morning sunlight. Exhale and soften the shoulders down. Now interlace your fingers behind your back. Inhale and lift your arms slightly away from the body, broadening the chest. Exhale and bow forward gently, keeping the arms lifted. Stay here for a few breaths. Let go of tension and welcome space. Slowly rise back up and come onto all fours for cat-cow flow. Inhale, drop the belly and lift the heart. Exhale, round the spine and release between the shoulder blades. Repeat this flow to massage the spine and melt away tightness from the upper back. Next, move into thread the needle. Slide your right arm under the left, rest your shoulder and ear on the mat. Breathe deeply into the back of the heart, then repeat on the other side. Come up to downward facing dog. Press through your palms, draw the shoulder blades down the back and let your heart melt toward the earth. Feel the strength and openness meeting within you. Step forward to standing position. Interlace your fingers behind you again for standing yoga mudra. Inhale, lift the chest and gaze upward. Exhale, fold forward from the hips, keeping the arms reaching up and over. Stay for 5 breaths, releasing old energy and inviting gratitude. Slowly roll up to stand tall. Open your arms wide as if embracing the sky. Let the breath expand your chest fully. This is your heart space of freedom. Return to seated pose. Close your eyes, rest your palms over the heart. My heart is open, my shoulders are light, I am free. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om. This completes day 6, expanding heart and shoulders. See you tomorrow for day 7 as we flow into calm, balance and focus.